Trader, may nakita ako na set up for this month of September, but this is not a financial advice, disclaimer lang. So ganito yung aking napansin, no? So kung pupunta tayo, very technical siya, mechanical pala. Check nyo yung oras ng 7 o'clock. Dito sa 7 o'clock, at the top left corner, mapapansin nyo yung opening price niya is 1.10869. At 7 o'clock nag-open yung price doon. Tapos bumaba siya. At around 11:30, bumalik yung price doon. Tsaka siya umangat. That is an easy 10 pips setup. Tapos kita nyo, mapapansin nyo at around after lunch 1:45 bumalik ulit yung price doon. Ngayon naririto na naman ulit yung price. So binalikan niya yung oras na kung saan nag-open yung 7 o'clock na price, no? Bumalik siya doon sa price ng 7 o'clock. That is for today. Kaya ako nakita yan. Tingnan nyo yung kahapon, September 12. Yes, September 12. At around 7 o'clock itong candle na ito. Tingnan nyo ulit yung top left corner, 1.10136. At around 7 o'clock nag-open yung price dyan, 1.10. Nilagyan ko na siya ng line. Okay, umangat doon, tapos bumaba at exactly 10:15 bumalik yung price doon, 1.10. Yeah. Tingnan nyo, bumalik yung price doon. Tapos, after lunch tayo mag-focus. At around after lunch, bumalik ang price na dito. 245. Yan, bumalik yung price. Ng 245 doon. That's an easy 10 pips strategy again. Targeting those size. No. Open, target this. Ayun. That is an easy 10 pips. Now, punta tayo sa September 11. Yep. 7 o'clock. Tingnan natin. 7 o'clock. Yep. This candle 1.10385 at the top left corner, makikita nyo 1.10385. ayun sa taas, ito dito lumalabas yung price 1.10385. Umangat siya, angat at exactly 11 o'clock at after lunch bumalik yung price doon, no? Ang lowest nitong candle na ito is 1.10385, the same opening price na 7 o'clock. Tapos targeting also those highs. This swing high, lahat ng high nito tinarget niya. From 1.10385 to 1.10520. Yep, that is easy 10 pips, no? Tapos yun, bumulusok na yung price sa pababa. So meron siyang ganong pinapakita na strategy. For 3 consecutive days, yun ang napansin ko. So we will see again sa mga next na mga trading days. Anyway, it's Friday. Tapos na ako mag-trade for this week. So see you again. See that price? Dito ngayon yung price, meron siya ngayong resistance dyan kung saan nag-open yung price 1.10870. 7 o'clock, around 7 o'clock. That will be 6 o'clock sa Italy. But anyway, this is MT5. So yeah, thank you. Not a financial advice, trade with your own risk. Okay, ciao.